Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one logical question. If a comma b belongs to positive real numbers such that ab equal to a over a plus b square plus b over b plus a square equal to 7 by 8, then find the value of a power 6 plus b power 6. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, first of all, given very simple question. A by a over a plus b whole square, b over b plus a square is equal to 7 by 8. Now here if you take LCM, a plus b square into b plus a square, here a into b plus a square plus b into a plus b square is equal to 7 by 8. Now if you multiply ab plus a cube plus ab plus b cube, if you multiply in the denominator, you'll get ab plus a cube plus b cube plus a square b square is equal to 7 by 8. So you already given ab value is 2. So if you substitute that value ab value to 2 plus a cube plus 2 plus b cube by 2 plus a cube plus b cube plus 2 square is equal to 7 by 8. So here if you cross multiply 8 into a cube plus b cube plus 4 is equal to 7 into a cube plus b cube plus 6 you'll get. Now multiply this 8a cube 8b cube plus 32 is equal to 7a cube plus 7b cube plus 42. Now send a cube and b cube to that side. 8a cube minus 7a cube plus 8b cube minus 7b cube is equal to 42 minus 32. So here a cube plus b cube is equal to 10. But what is required is a power 6, b power 6. Now here squaring on both sides. So a cube plus b cube whole square is equal to 10 square. So here a cube whole square plus 2a cube b cube plus b cube whole square is equal to 100. So you know that ab value is 2. A to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6 plus 2 into 2 power 3 is equal to 100. A power 6 plus b power 6 is equal to 100 minus 16, that is equal to 84. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.